Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make beautiful pumpkin chapatis. Simple, quick, and so delicious. Super fluffy, and they just break apart so easily. So we're gonna start off by laying out our ingredients. We have pumpkins, which are boiled, butter, all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt as well, 1.5 cup of water, which you should ensure it's warm or lukewarm. Then we're gonna add in our 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're going to add all the ingredients together and mix them. And once that's done, we're going to head on to the next step. Right now I'm just mashing up my pumpkin and I'm going to add it onto the flour. So once the mixture is in, we are going to start mixing in the warm water, and then we're going to make it into a paste by adding little and little water. So I'm just going to mix everything together, and this is how it should be looking. Then we're going to continue just kneading for about 2 minutes. Chapati doesn't need much kneading. So once it looks like that, we're gonna add in our butter and mix it in. Once that's ready, then we're ready for the next step. So our dough is ready, and I'm just going to dust on some flour, and I'm now going to start rolling down the dough with a rolling pin. This is to ensure that we get some good sections out of the chapati dough, and we're gonna cut it up into smaller sections and roll it up, which I will show you in this video. These stages are super simple. The steps are really not complicated, super simple. And if you'd like to see a plain chapati recipe without the pumpkin, I have that on my channel as well. Be sure to check it out, and once you see that video, then you will understand the steps. It is just automatic and super simple. So I'm going to be putting on some oil onto the dough once it's flat, and we're gonna begin cutting out the sections. So once the sections are ready, we are now gonna begin rolling them individually, and this is how they should be looking. And once that's done, we are now going to start rolling them down with a rolling pin individually again, and they're ready to hit the pan once they're ready. So this is how it should be looking once it's ready. You can see the pumpkin has totally disappeared. Now we are going to be heating up our pan, and we're gonna throw in the first chapati. I normally do mine individually, like I cook them individually so that I can ensure the chapatis are well cooked on both sides. Some people can do 2 or 3. I've done that before, but I really prefer doing it one by one. So I'm gonna add in the oil and glaze it, and then I'm gonna turn it onto the other side. Once it's cooked, I will go on and do the same routine. You can see it swelling on the sides a little bit, and for this recipe I actually did not add any yeast or baking powder, but you can see without baking powder and yeast you actually come up with a really good chapati. So you can try doing both ways and see what is best suited for your recipe. So once this is done, I'm just gonna take it out and we'll have our chapatis ready. That's how it turned out, guys. A really beautiful. I love the pumpkin chapatis. I'm obsessed. I love the pigment on them. You can just see it's full of pumpkin, the yellow color. Really good. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video.